Oh, yeah, there's someone in the house. Hey, Adam, do we have guys in the house? Is there a dead guy in the house? I don't know.
Hey, the movement on me.
Shoot. I had 3 people. I was watching it. I was up on the hill. I was watching it. Yeah. I was like, hey, look up.
I tried to run a battery, it's not really my battery side, it's my wire.
What's right?
They're way out of range.
Adam.
Upstairs clear. Upstairs clear.
Dude, I can talk to from here with this thing.
Wolf, where you at? Are you in?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Clear. Clear. And they just walk out.
Come murk these dudes.